To alternate, it's hard to do this with just one hand. To do the opposite side. And now you can see we're doing 10 degrees to the opposite side. Now sometimes you might have to adjust the backstop here, because when you change the angle it sometimes takes off, even though you're going from sort of one side to the other like this, it can sometimes take off more on the inside than the outside. So if you measure the tooth, sharpen the next one on the opposite side till it hits the backstop, and just measure them to make sure it's getting them the same length.